What if somewhere in the universe, another version of you is watching this exact video right now? A version living a different life, making different choices, following a completely different future. Welcome to Episode 4 of the Unreal Experiments series. In normal life, every decision feels final. You choose one path, and all the other possibilities disappear. You choose one career instead of another. You meet one person instead of someone else. You click this video instead of scrolling away. But quantum physics suggests something much stranger. At the smallest level of reality, particles do not exist in one fixed state. They exist in multiple possible states at the same time. This idea is called superposition. A particle can behave as if it is in two places at once until it is measured. This is not just theory. Experiments repeatedly confirm it. The famous double-slit experiment showed that even a single particle can behave like a wave spreading through multiple paths simultaneously. Only when it is measured does it appear in one definite state. This creates one of the biggest mysteries in physics. What causes reality to settle into one outcome? For decades, physicists struggled with this question. Then, in 1957, physicist Hugh Everett proposed a different idea. What if the wave never collapses? What if every possible outcome actually happens? According to the many worlds interpretation, reality continuously branches into different versions. In one branch, one outcome happens. In another branch, a different outcome happens. Both realities continue independently. This means quantum events may constantly create parallel versions of reality. Over time, many scientists began taking this idea seriously because mathematically, it works surprisingly well with quantum mechanics. Physicist Bryce DeWitt later helped popularize the theory and suggested that every quantum interaction could create new branches of reality. That means reality may branch every second. Now think about what this implies. Your body is made of atoms. Those atoms follow quantum mechanics. Your brain activity, your neurons, even the chemistry inside your cells are built on quantum processes. So if quantum possibilities branch, then versions of your life may branch too. Somewhere, there could be another version of you who made every choice differently. A version who moved to another country. A version who never started this channel. A version who became successful much earlier. A version living a completely different life. And if branching never stops, there may be countless versions of you. Some almost identical to you right now, others completely different. This idea inspired many science fiction stories, but it began as a serious scientific attempt to explain real experiments. And here's the important part. The many worlds interpretation makes the same experimental predictions as standard quantum mechanics. That means current experiments cannot prove whether it is true or false. Even today, physicists still debate what quantum mechanics is actually telling us about reality. Some scientists believe reality collapses into one outcome. Others believe all outcomes continue to exist. Physicist Richard Feynman once said, "I think I can safely say that nobody understands quantum mechanics." And that is still true. Because quantum physics does not behave the way normal intuition expects. Particles behave like waves. Observation changes outcomes. Entangled particles affect each other across enormous distances. And one interpretation suggests reality itself may constantly branch into multiple versions. Some physicists even argue that parallel worlds may be the simplest explanation for quantum mechanics. Because instead of explaining how possibilities disappear, many worlds says they never disappear at all. Every possibility continues somewhere. Right now, there may be another version of you making a completely different decision, another version watching another video, another version living another future. And because these branches no longer interact, you would never know they exist. To them, their reality would feel just as real as yours. And that leads to one final question. If every possible version of you exists somewhere, what makes this version you? Follow for the next episode of Unreal Experiments.